In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine air box on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws for the sensor. Remove the sensor, pull straight up. Using a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool, we're going to go through the little slot right here. We're going to remove this plastic stay. We're going to push on the pin on the side. As we push on it, we're going to pull up and remove that plastic stay. Pull it over to the side. Remove the plastic stay on the front of the box. You can go from the bottom and push on those tabs. I'm going to use my trim tool and pop it out of place. You could go up through the bottom here. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the clamp for the intake. Remove the intake off of the airbox. We're going to pop the 2 front clips for the airbox, lift straight up, pull up, and disengage the clip. Do the same thing. We're going to lift the top off of the airbox, remove it from the vehicle, remove the air filter. Down inside of our box, you'll find 3 12mm bolts. Remove the 3 12mm bolts. Remove the 3 bolts, pull slightly to the side, and then up and out with the airbox. Open up the new airbox, popping these clips open. Remove the top piece, put it to the side. Install the bottom piece of the airbox into place. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Install the air filter. Install the top of the airbox. Be sure that the airbox is locked in place in the back. Lock down the 2 clips. Install the intake tube onto the airbox. Snug down the clamp. Install the mass airflow sensor. Install the screws. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the plastic stay into the airbox. Install the connector onto the mass airflow sensor. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. There's 1 more plastic stay in the front. Install it into the airbox, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.